Hey y'all, Chef Iric Sky here, and within this video I want to explain how to grind your own coffee like a boss. Now you can grind coffee and you can just use the coffee grounds in traditional paper filter. You can use those fancy wancy coffee making techniques, or you can do what I do, and that's get these reusable cups, and you can put it in there. But basically all you're going to do, you put your beans up here, and I've already put some in. You can expand this video's description and click the link there to find the beans like I use. Very affordable, very fresh, very flavorful, very premium taste and aroma. So I put my beans in there, and then all I do is do this grinder right here. Hear it? And then you can kind of check. I've got a drawer in mine, so I can check, see how many fresh grounds I've got. Then all I do is use a spoon and fill this up. Now if you don't want it as strong, you don't have to add as many grounds. It's a matter of personal preference. You do what you want to do. I don't care what you do. You're your own boss. I'm gonna fill this up here. And the best part about this is just a little value add. I know this video was how to grind your own coffee. Best part about this is that you don't have to use paper filters. So you just put that in there, gently close. See, there it is. It's ready to go in one of those reusable cup style coffee makers. And by the way, you can expand this video's description and click the links there to find all the equipment and also the coffee beans like I'm using. And see, now I can do more. And that's the good thing about this pack of refillable cups. I can load multiples up. Now you want to keep them in something that'll keep them fresh, but that's subscribe and check out my coffee videos playlist, because that's going to be a discussion point, is how to store your preloaded cups. I could put some more beans in there. I'm going to grind these up first so I don't make a variety. See, that's that there. This particular one is this donut style, and you can, like I said, I've linked both of these within this video's description. The one I'm about to do is a dark style, so we're going to do both. They grind the same, man. They're just beans. Now, if you're really cool and you got connections, you could go out to the coffee place and be like, dude, can you give me some beans? And they'd be like, yeah. And they'd give you some beans, and then you could go straight from the coffee farm to your grinder. Or you could just take your grinder to the coffee farm and sit down in the field and be like, do you mind if I grind my own beans? And they'll be like, no sir. Okay, thank you. I might just do that. So look at this. This is so simple, so fresh. It smells good. And ultimately, with this, you control the beans. You know, however you're sourcing them, it's up to you. Like I said, the coffee beans like I'm using, I feel they're very premium. They're very affordable, and I've linked them within this video's description. But, you know, you may be fancy, and you may have those coffee connections. You may go straight to the farm and be like, yes, give me beans. Or you may go to the farm and you may be so fancy that when you get there, they're like, oh, Mr. So-and-so is, or Mrs. So-and-so's here, and they're coming to get the beans. They're like, do you have the beans ready? I'm like, no. What are you doing? They're one of our elite customers. ooh, I'm sorry. And then they start backpedaling. They're like, you know, and then dude probably gets slapped or something, and who knows. But yeah, grinding your own coffee, man, is the way to do it. And see, I've successfully ground enough to make 2 of these little cups, and then those can just go into the cup style coffee maker. So I've got 2 ready to go. Now, obviously, for long-term storage, you would want to put these in an airtight container. Subscribe, check out my coffee videos playlist, because storing of preloaded cups is a video that I'm going to post. And at the time of you watching this, that video may already be live. So that's how you grind coffee, and we're going to go ahead and, for this video, I mean, why not, man? Let's grind this other type of bean here. See how this comes together. Also, bean storage is a topic I will and may already have addressed at the time of you watching this video, but it's going to be something in the coffee videos playlist, because after you open your beans, you want to keep them fresh. Freshness is one of the most important aspects of coffee, and people that buy pre-ground coffee, it's kind of like buying pepper in a little, those little metal boxes of pepper. It's just no good. It doesn't have any flavor to it. These are fresh beans. You can smell that nose. It's got a great nose, man. So you just put your beans in here. Again, this is my little drawer that collects the ground beans. Put your beans in here, however many you need to grind, or however many you think you need to grind. You can always add more. Start grinding. You know, just want to grind until you get enough to fill your cup or your filter, whatever you're doing. That's the cool thing about these cups. You don't have to put as much in as you do like a traditional paper coffee filter. And so you can smell the beans, how fresh they are when you're grinding them. Now I've got a lot here. I'm going to make a couple cups. These cups are washable and reusable, by the way. Hey y'all, Irix Guy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.